Hi, today we're discussing Windows Virtual Desktop, or WVD, and what the opportunity is for partners to increase your services revenue and remain ahead of your competition using the Remo 3 Cloud platform. So, WVD offers measurable benefits and outcomes. The ability to do remote working has seen a huge increase during 2020. Aging replacement of hardware in data centers and the costs associated with that, and the barriers to innovation through scale, up or down, and data center capacity constraints, and even some regulatory requirements. Moving your customers to Windows Virtual Desktop isn't just the latest desktop as a service offering from Microsoft, or another feature innovation from their ever-evolving Azure cloud platform. After all, virtual desktops have been around for years. It's a game changer for partners in the ecosystem who provide a managed service for customers needing to work remotely and deliver the workspace of the future, which is really what virtual desktops are about. And with 95% of the Forbes 500 stating that they trust their business to the Azure platform, why wouldn't you, as service partners, embrace this opportunity? We recognize that there's been limitations in virtual desktops in the past, but we really feel that Windows Virtual Desktop changes all of that, and that's why it's such a big deal. All the factors contributing to a virtual desktop are now in place, with a robust cloud infrastructure platform with Azure, the great connectivity that most of us experience, and the user experience with Windows 10 and Windows 10 multi-session. It poses a generational services opportunity growth unlike anything we've seen in years. And I think that that's pretty exciting, right? However, there are a few critical dependencies to understand, and applications are often one of the most overlooked in any migration, but they simply can't be when moving to Windows Virtual Desktop. Compatibility and application performance are more important than ever, along with the need to modernize applications into Microsoft's MSIX format. MSIX is the new delivery format across all of the Microsoft products and is going to be key to unlocking the benefits of Windows Virtual Desktops. How do you know if your applications are going to be Windows 10 multi-session friendly? And how many users can access the same app before performance is impacted? It's critical in the planning and costing phase for any migration to Windows Virtual Desktop. And the more apps that you have, the more planning and the more automation that you're going to need. Our Remo 3 team has created a smooth application modernization platform to really help you overcome this. And as a co-sell ready partner with Microsoft, focusing on Azure consumed revenue, we allow you to retire quota. It works by providing you the application expertise that perhaps you wouldn't previously or otherwise have had, and we do that through a simple user experience and UI. We do the heavy lifting, and we allow you to follow a simple process and a simple guide to an effective outcome. So, if you'd like to know more about Remo 3 Cloud for partners and the service opportunity for Windows Virtual Desktop, please get in touch with us.